Okay, so this is the image that I chose for my unit chat today. It is 12 cupcakes. And so a teacher would start out by saying, well, what do you see? How many do you see? And how did you get that? So a student might say right away, well, I see 12 cupcakes. And then the teacher would be like, well, how did you see that? How did you get 12 cupcakes? And the student might say, well, I see that there's 3 cupcakes in each row, and there are 4 rows. So you could say 4 rows of 3, which then translates to 4 times 3 equals 12. Now, you could say the opposite of that too. You could say there's 3 rows of 4, which is 3 times 4, which equals 12. Now, another way that you could do this is counting by 2s. So you could say there's 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. So counting by 2s, which would get you 12. And then another way that you could do this is by looking at the different colors. So you could say, well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cupcakes that are yellow, 5 that are yellow. And there's 1, 2 that are pink. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 that are brown. And 1 that is white. And that also gets you 12. And then another way of doing this is if you ever look at like dice, on dice you can see the numbers differently. So right here you would see 5, and that's how it looks on a dice. And then here you would see 4, and then here would be 3. So 5 plus 4 plus 3 equals 12. So that's another way of doing it. And then you could always count by ones as well. So you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So counting by ones is another option. You could also count by 3s and by 4s, but that's the same thing for the multiplication that I already showed you. So you could go, well, there is 3 in each of the rows, so 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. Equals 12. And then you could do the same thing for 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12. So those are a lot of different ways that you can solve this problem and figure out how many there are. Thank you.